Good morning. Hi, everyone. Sasa if you can hear me, just type yes. I don't know, can make up. Yeah, iko poa. If you can see me or if you can hear me, just say good morning. I can see Aziz saying good morning. Saying Masharia, yes. Emmanuel Musau, good morning, doctor. Poa sana. So I just do a market check out kidogo. Right now we are not trading sana, but ile kidogo kunapata. And then, yeah, we can see the buyers of the day and the views. Remember, today we have CPI. Today is CPI. So we're expecting a high impactive movement today or volatile movement. Sean Jojo, good morning. Mkupo Asana. Duncan, good morning. Okay, so let me just go directly. I'll share the screen. So today I won't wait for people to join. I just go directly to share what we have today. Then we are. Okay, so on today's market, today's on Wednesday 11th, we are having a CPI, which is going to happen around 4:30. Na hii CPI iko peke yake 4:30 kwa CPI ya USD, CPI monthly, CPI ya iko. Oh, this is CPI iko poa. So this one is alone, meaning haijachanganyikana na card, na kuna card ni zinatoka for 545. This one is very good yenye wameganisha hivi. So at 4:30 we're expecting CPI, and then how are they expecting a strong dollar or a weaker dollar? So they're expecting they're expecting a strong one, and then a strong one, and then 2.7 a strong one. So they're expecting a strong dollar. So, when you're expecting a strong dollar, what is going to happen to the market? What is going to happen? Let me just open the other phone so I can leave the comment. So, guys, we can engage. Guys, can you hear me? Oh, it's in the internet. What on your number? Guys, can you hear me? Yeah. What nimeona comment sasa. So what if you're expecting this a strong dollar? So what is going to happen to the market? We're expecting a sales on GU. Yeah, expect a sales on GU, sales on Euro USD, sales on what else? NZUSD, sales on hizo zote I know you guys mnajua. So sales on NZUSD. Okay, so I'll talk about gold. There's something to talk. So I know gold, yes, it will the market CPI is sell, but I would advise you not to sell gold on CPI. Just with the news zitoke, it spike na chini, and then we continue buying. So let me just explain to you something. So because this moment yenye tuko sahi between now this festive, hata kama kuna trades, we are still learning. So I try to explain to you and show you how the movement in the market sometimes it will do really differs when it's come to sentimentals and technicals and fundamentals. Okay, so you can currently kuja hapa hivi. If you remember kama unaweza fanya a backup or a backup recheck of what has happened between this year February to mwezi wa sita ama mwezi wa saba. What was happening? Gold was buying while the other pairs were selling. You remember when gold was going against these. So one thing you'll notice that gold is not being pushed, maybe even by fundamentals zenye zinatoka, is more being moved by sentimentals. Ukiona kama sahi now, gold is buying. Gold yesterday we were looking for either a drop from here or a breakout and a retest. So you can clearly see the gold is buying. But why we come into this pair? Let me show you AUDSD. This is a sister to gold. AUDSD and gold, they are like sisters. Like they have to have the same kind of movement. Meaning, unaona AUDSD ina sell, lakini gold yenyewe inafanya nini? Inapanda. At this point, you have to notice the red flag and know that the market, there's something pushing gold to go high and high and high. Because even if you come to this pair like Euro USD is selling. This one for let's go to 1 hour. This Euro USD is selling. Go to GBP USD. GBP hata tuingia hata hii NZUSD is selling. Kuja to this, the pairs who have the pairs which have the positive correlation and negative correlation come to this pair GU copy. So one thing we can notice, these NZUSD, Euro USD, most of these pairs, they are doing what? They are, let me just this. They are doing what? They are dropping. And gold is doing what? Gold is gold is buying. So meaning there's something pushing gold. So let me tell you, even if kutatoka news laws za CPI, let me just show you how to take opportunity of this. Even if kutatoka news za CPI, news za CPI zinaonyesha gold itashuka. But now gold hata kama itashukishwa na CPI, note that don't target the first move of gold selling. Just wait the market ifanya nini? Ispike na chini wakati wa news, CPI ispike na chini, gold, and then you buy. Unaona, and then ispike na chini na hizo news, because hizo news haziwezi push that market way lower sana, and then you continue buying gold, because you can see sentimentally gold is very bullish, but the rest of the pair I know zitashuka hivyo. So we can go just directly to do a recap of what we did yesterday, and then we continue with our normal analysis. So if you have any comment, if you have any concern, any question, just type on the comment below, because nowadays we are doing the short analysis, we are not doing the deeper one. So I'll go directly to the pairs. I remember I did an analysis on AUD, was it AUDCHF? Yeah, AUDCHF. I saw a lot of people DMing me about this AUDCHF. So we were looking forward for more buys for these pairs from here. And then we said we are day traders. Let me advise you on something else. Whenever a market, let me give advise you. So whenever you take a trade, let's say you took a trade now, like now today sahi. Trade range sahi kutaka London session, New York session, hadi yote. It's not worth your energy holding a trade kama hii. Let me show you. Even if this trade was going to materialize, it's not worth holding a trade yenye inakusumbua kichwa like so much materialize. I know a lot of people try to buy here hata venye nirudi kwa this order block, as I mentioned yesterday, people are trying to buy and hold it again. But now it's not worth your energy, market I move, and that's what I really try to trade in such a way that market kama nimechukua saa, it's either I materialize iende on my way or like quit that trade, because at the end of the day nakujanga kufuck you up, in it end up like making you to lose money. Okay, so we are looking forward to buy this, but this one is what we are talking about, when a red candle is budded by a green candlestick, and then you buy all the way, and I was targeting the market to come back again all the way to order block here. The market moved how many pips? These how many pips? And if you took these trades, you can just comment, because we were giving this trade from here. I took moved around many pips. Around 23 pips. It seems the UDCHF haina so many pips. Yeah, we can hear you. Okay, I can see. Okay, so we moved 20. It seems it doesn't have a lot of pip value. 23 pips. 23 pips you're mingi sana with these holding all these many hours. Okay, so we had another pair also on Nasdaq and GJ pia nilikuwa nimepeana ile order block. Let's just go to Nasdaq. And those you can comment. Nasdaq, we are looking forward for sales from the shoulder, head and shoulder. This one, who took Nasdaq? Let me see on the comment section. Mwenye alichukua hii Nasdaq ya jana. And then we had another pair on GJ, but GJ sioni kama ili materialize. We were looking forward for GJ to come back again to this order block. Bado haijafika. We are still waiting for it. Okay. Which other pair did we have yesterday? We didn't have any view on GBP card because ilikuwa imefika ile mwisho. We didn't have any view on it so much. We didn't have any view on GBP card because ilikuwa imefika mwisho. On Euro card, no. USD card, we had a view on USD card. Let me show you. USD card, we had a view on it. Yeah, we had a breakout. You remember these guys when we had marked this zone, a breakout and retest. The market will break out this area, coming to retest this area. If you know this kind of analysis, and hope you took advantage of this breakout and retest on USD card. I don't think we had another pair. So I said now, currently I just analyze a few pairs which guys you are going to comment down below, because I won't be able to check all through. Let me cancel this FBS. I won't be able to go through the whole list, but you can just comment below down on which pair you guys you want me to check. Okay, so just comment down, and then we can see which pairs you're going to check out. Okay, gold. Someone is saying we can check gold, GBPSD, and which other pair? And GJ. Okay, so let's start on GJ. So GJ, my buyers will still remain on this order block. Come back again to 1 hour. GJ, I'm looking for buyers on this order block, which will be also a breakout and retest of these areas. So my buyers will still remain on yesterday's buyers on GJs. So my buyers will still remain here. guys, not here, but this area. This area is when I'm looking forward for this market to mitigate these areas so they can look forward for more buys. And my TP should be at this particular level. My TP one will be here. So I'll buy all the way from there. My TP1 will be there. So the others will be more of more bonuses. So I'm going to have these entries using, entries are different because we have most of the trades. We have entries on shoulders, we have entries on order block, we have entries on trend line and everything. But now on entry here, we are considering this order block. So I know the criteria for us to take an orders on GJ using an order block. So let's just push all the way down here. So I note that I'm not targeting this area, but I'm targeting to have my buys from this area. Okay, so GJ and GBPUSD. Okay, so in GBPUSD, today we have how do we call it? CPI. So most of the times when you have CPI, I really don't avoid to comment around because we have those fundamentals, and I'm not a fundamental guy. Though when it comes to CPI today, I'm looking forward for more sales on the USD on GBPUSD. I'm looking forward for more sales on it. Okay. I can comment on the GU because of the fundamentals we have. You can clearly see it's 10. We almost have around 4 to 6 hours for us to have that fundamentals. So I'll not really to comment on that. Eurocard, I'll check. So let's go to the next one. So someone is asking gold. Gold, I have talked about this. So the only buyers I have is on gold. So gold, this is what I'm talking about. Wait for gold to spike down when it's come to fundamentals today, and then you can look forward to buy gold. So wait hizo CPI zipite, zisell, zifanya nini, and then we can continue buying that. We can continue buying what? We can continue buying we can continue buying gold. So wait for, because currently, and the reason why I'm saying buys on gold, this is the reason why, because this is the only tender that was giving me a long-term sales. So this is why was confirming for me the sales in Zakuja. So this is the reason why I'm confirming for more buys. So the market is trading above the trend line, which one was showing me the levels for the market to show me that the bearish movement is still in continuation. But currently the market has already broken the structures and showing me that the market is obeying the bullish structures and creating more highs. So indicating that there's a buyer's movement, indicating for more buys. So we are targeting for more buys. I'll target more buys on it, regardless of the technical analysis I'm doing. So meaning I'll wait for CPI because I'm looking forward for CPI to sell on gold. And then baadaye after CPI imepita, of which I will not trade CPI. So I want it to sell. I want CPI to sell. And then after it sells, I continue buying. So I hope guys you got my message clearly. So someone is saying Eurocard. So let's go to Eurocard. We'll start doing the full analysis of our watch list from January. From January date 6. Where else will be back? Okay. So these are our bars on Eurocard. We are looking forward for buys on this order block. The bars is still valid, so I'll be looking forward for buys on Eurocard this year. Be very patient. It will root toward the upper. So this is the only order block that we are looking for more buys on Eurocard. And the reason why I'm looking for more buys, this market is on a bullish movement. There's nothing indicating that the market has already indicated the change of character with a reversal structure and then breaking the shoulders, and then we are going to experience a breakout and retest of this area, and also testing the order block on 1 hour and also on 4 hours, meaning this is the only area I'll be looking forward for Eurocards on buy. The other pair is, any guys, can you comment down below? Euro NZD? There's someone I know who has a Euro NZD. So this market is on a bullish. Whenever we have this bullish movement on a daily time frame, clearly indicating that this is the only red candle here. So this market is coming to break this area. So mtu asijaribu kubishana na sales zake. This market is coming to break here. This market will still come and break these areas. So you have to know how to indicate, to clearly know where the market is heading to. So the market is bullish, but I can't see any entry. And the reason why I'm coming up with these entries because this indicate as an order block left here on this bullish movement, the only red candle, indicating that the market is going to break here. So on such scenario, whenever, let me give you an example. In market, I know someone anaweza kuja sema, oh, the market, where can I find your WhatsApp number? My WhatsApp number on my legit TikTok, or I'll just pin it on my Telegram today. So I'm talking about this. So let me just educate you something. So guys, can you pay attention on this? Okay. So whenever we do learn about demand and supply, of course, and let me tell you, never dislike people be like, okay, demand and supply plays a key role in the market, because everything, all prices are controlled. No matter what, even in our life, in our society, price is controlled by demand and supply. So demand and supply, that's what controls the price. And this is what we call price in Forex. So this is what we call price, and this is what we call price, like this is what we call price in Forex. So, and if this is price, then it's controlled by demand and supply. And we normally say we buy on demand, and then we sell on supply, demand, supply, demand. But now there's key levels you are supposed to know when to sell and when to buy. So let me show you some of the indication you're supposed to observe when you want to check on a supply zone. Like currently, we can come now, remove all the drawings. We can come to this our market here, and now put the market into a line chart. And now this one is indicating for us this is a supply zone. The market is approaching. So these are supply zone, the market is approaching, meaning there's possible outlook for us to look for sales. But now, let me tell you, never sell a market here on a supply zone when you see this red candle here. Not, I'm not talking these red candles, we have so many here, but this movement which is approaching, the whole movement which is approaching the supply zone has only one red candle at the center. This indicates that the market has so much bias of this market coming back and breaking here and coming back. So we are going to experience something, a scenario of such. The same case, these structures are applied on 4 hours on any time frame you're looking for. So we are going to have a breakout back again to that trend candle, and then we continue buying. So meaning this area is invalid for you to look out for more sales. And I'll try to show you one of them, one of the indicators. Okay, so let me show you another example. This is an example. We had this supply zone here. The market was getting here and indicating the market is going to give us a more of a reversal, because if we had this market here, it is indicate that this is a surprise zone and this market could approach this area and then we experience another drop. But you can see we have this red candle indicating for me there's more much power of this market pushing way high. You can clearly see after getting to that point, the market still broke and then came back and retested again this area and then went again here. So this area was not a red flag. It was a red flag for you to look forward for more sales. I hope you can guys online. I hope I've tried to explain on a layman language or in a way you guys can understand. So I mean, you can clearly see this as a surprise zone. But now, if this is a surprise zone, this is the red candle left here. So someone will be like, okay, now the market have approached a surprise zone, I should be looking for sales. No, you should not be looking for sales, because you can clearly see this red candle is here. Instead, you should be looking for more. But this is the same strategy that still applies on this euro card you are looking for yesterday. AUDCHF. If you keep up on my analysis, the same thing we did yesterday. Let me show you. We saw yesterday. Was it on 1 hour or was it on 4 hours? The same thing. A red candle divided by a green candle. So the same thing. Yeah. Guys, I hope you guys have you learned something? Have you learned something? I hope you have learned something on what I was trying to explain. Okay, so any other pair, guys, you want me to check? Because I said that right now I'm not trading. So I just come and do a recheck of what pairs you are doing, and then I can just give you my bias on it. Yeah. Spongimpol is saying US30 NZD card. Okay, so let me check for US30 and NZD card. Guys, can you hear me? I'm not sure. Sijaona more comments of late comments imekuja hapo. US30 and NZD card. This is US30. Remove drawings. US30 inanionyesha more sales bado. And more sales you should target all the way here. If you are looking for US30, target your TP to be here. More sales, TP1 there. More sales on it. And the reason hata ninaona then pia hii Nasdaq has done the same thing, because a reversal structure. Nasdaq has done a reversal structure over head and shoulder. Yeah. So I'm seeing more sales on Nasdaq. NZD card. Actually, you have not NZD card. You have not checked it. NZD card. Where is NZD card? NZD card. Okay. Now, this one is clearly, guys. You can clearly see the order block here. Don't try to buy here. So let me show you. This is the same thing. I said we have this red kind of moving and approaching a demand zone. You can see this order block left here. This indicates this market is definitely going to break here and then come back again to this order block. So we are going to experience something like this, a breakout all the way down and then coming back to that order block, and then we continue selling. So you can wait for this market to come back again to order block, this area, and this. So guys, now this is an example of what I have shown you. Tunakupata. This is the example I've shown you. A movement of a bearish movement, only one green candle left there, and is approaching this area. This area does indicate that don't try to post this market on that zone that is approaching. The market will still break. The same thing I've shown you on which area. Ni pair gani nilikuwa naelezea nayo? Sikumbuki ni pair gani. Oh, Euro NZD. Nimeelezea Euro NZD, these areas on daily. Nimeonesha hivi. Nimesema daily we can see this movement yote in approach this area indicating this on it and cannot. It will definitely break this area and come back again. The same thing on NZD card. I hope guys you have learned something leo today's live. So usikuwa unajaribu kubaya market kwa any demand. So that's how you check a very good area to have your positions here. Coming back to 1 hour, is it 1 hour or 4 hours? 4 hours. On a red candle, a green candle, red candle there. That means that the market will still break. No, hata sharp break here. Isha hold. Never try to pause market wakati imeacha something like this na bado ina. So hiyo market is scenario inakuanga in such a way haijafikia demand ama haijafikia supply, lakini iko hapo katikati ndo inaenda ku approach. Ina indicating the market itakuja kama ime break. So the market isiguze hiyo area yako, maybe umekuja umemark, let me remove hizi drones zote. Maybe you'll be like, okay, we have learned demand. I know these are exactly where the market is supposed to reverse. So I'm supposed to buy from here. Ikiguza tu hapa, I'm supposed to buy. No. Never try to do that. Yeah. So that I hope you have learned something. Guys, any more comments? So these NZD cards are a good setup because it indicates for us it has an order block for us to have an entry. And these are those are examples of the trades we like so much using order block. And this is what we use it. So this order block here tutaogoja market irudi hapo and then irudi shuke. So this one is a good setup for us to take because ina fall under strategy yenye tuna trading in such a way market irushuke chini irudi tena kwa hii order block yetu and then turudi to set. Na stop loss yetu iko very strict. Stop loss yetu itakuwa wapi? Itakuwa tu hapa hivi juu. Juu ya wapi? Juu ya hii order block. Si kubwa. Stop loss yetu hivyo. So let me just indicate it ndio watu muone. And then stop loss yetu itakuwa wapi? So entry yetu itakuwa hapa na stop loss yetu itakuwa hapa, meaning tunaingia entry hapa na stop loss. So we have a very good risk management na tuna target wapi? Tunaweza target this low because I think market itakuja hadi huku yote. Yeah, that is it. Sponge Mpole amesema learn something and then Duncan learn something. Abdrahi Euro USD and GU. I'm not commenting. Saleh, I'm not commenting on GU and USD. I don't trade fundamentals, so I'm not commenting on them so much. I'm not commenting on them so much because I know we have fundamentals today, of which, but I've given my buyers. I'm looking forward for more sales on them. I'm expecting a strong dollar. According to the way I'm expecting a strong dollar because of these fundamentals. I said on Wednesday, 15th, 11th, for that I'm expecting a strong dollar, meaning we are expecting more sales on GU, more sales on Euro USD. Okay, but gold, I know gold will spike down and then Euro dependent. You really inspire me, doctor. Is there upon joining the VIP still active when still didn't? No, actually niko very silent sahi hata mkijoin, so there's no need of you joining the VIP na sipeani signal sahi. So VIP yangu iko silent sahi until January because I want to secure. I no need of me giving you setups na kuna zile so much heavy setups. Right now I'm not very active sana. You see, even I'm doing analysis from home. I'm not in, but the office is still open for learning. You can learn anytime, but trading we are going fully again on January. Tina, Euro JPY, let me check for you, Euro JPY. Okay, so on the Euro JPY, I'm still looking forward for buyers because the market did a reversal structure. It hasn't indicated for me more change of character to a bearish. Now, Samanga, if the market is, there's a very nice order block here. Okay. Is there another one on 30 minutes? Okay, these are the only order block. So give it more time. By the time it's closing, Euro JPY is approaching a very nice order block. Okay, from when you do Euro JPY, kindly be doing analysis on GJ pia, and then unafanya analysis na GJ, unafanya na pia na JPY basket. Copy JPY basket, so you can see the JPY basket. Okay. Is there anything for us to give us a more reversal? Okay, so give it more time for this JPY basket to react again to these areas. so as it can give you more confirmation for entry. Never take a trade on Euro JPY or GBP JPY without a confirmation from JPY basket. So make sure that you are correlating with them because zinapelekananga sana. So on Euro JPY, yes, I can clearly see papi. Iko wapi Euro JPY? Euro USD. Okay, I can clearly see there's an order block. I'll still give it more time for me to see the reaction that is happening on the JPY basket to give me more confirmation on it. Yeah, but the thing is, on Euro JPY, I'm looking for mobiles. Yeah. Any other question? Any other question? Any other question? Tina, give it more time on Euro JPY, and this one is giving me a very good setup for buys also. Guys, make comment down below, and how many people are trading CPI. Let me just talk about this. So Akwapi Joseph Akwapa, you remember last time, see, NFP ilikuwa last week on, I think ilikuwa Friday ama Thursday, and I said, guys, don't trade NFP. And I said, if you don't have money to risk, don't trade NFP. So there's one person, and nalikuwa pa live nimeshamwona, went ahead and traded NFP. Of what I gave a very long story on how NFP money, there's one time I lost money with CPN, and that's why I don't trade with them and so much, and all those kind of stories. So after news imetoka, and then I see someone has lost money and is there, I'm like, oh my god. So I mean, nitakwambia nini, and I advised you honestly, nikakwambia these fundamentals, they are not for the for the faint-hearted, and these fundamentals you're rising. So if I say something, just it's up to you to take the advice. I'm not there to force you to take the action. The action, you are the one supposed to take the action by yourself. So when I say about this NFP, I'm not commenting on them because it's something I've experienced. It's not something that I saw yesterday. It's something I've been in the market for several years, and I know how they can do you, and they can take you to the village. Today leo ni lini? Unaweza enda ushago, leo ni date 11. Unaweza enda ushago before Christmas ifika. Kuuliza kwani umekuja Christmas mapema aje? So take care, guys. Actually, today hii nini ECPL, take care guys of these fundamentals. Unaweza jipata umeenda ushago date 10 na kitu na bado Christmas ijafika. Just take care. Protect your capital. Unaona? Yeah. Big bro, if you may ask, does your strategy apply